Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am back with another informative video. The topic of the video is how to get a private health insurance if you are self-employed, which is also affordable. How to find your perfect health insurance plan, which also gives your primary care, healthcare industries, health insurance, and health plans, and also direct primary care, healthcare, and jargon explained. And here is the overview and importance of the health insurance for the self-employed people. So, if you are self-employed, being self-employed presents unique challenges, not least of which is obtaining health insurance. So, with no employer to split the insurance premium, the self-employed must bear the full brunt of cost. Texas, with its dynamic economy, sees a considerable chunks of its working populace as freelancer, independent contractor, and the entrepreneur. This makes understanding health insurance crucial. Navigating the world of health insurance can seem like a daunting task, especially when you are self-employed in Texas. Without the safety net of employer provided coverage, finding the right plan become even more critical. Whether you are an independent contractor or are enjoying the freedom of self-employment, you find difficulty of finding the health insurance for self-employment. So here's how to find the perfect health insurance plan for you. So, what you need to understand before diving into the different plans, understand your specific requirements. So, you have to understand that what are your specific requirements towards your health insurance plan. So you have to decide, do you have a pre-existing conditions, uh, and then what are you looking for a family plan that includes your spouse? Are you perhaps dental or vision coverage is essential for you? Once you know your needs, filtering through the plans becomes simpler. So, the familiarize yourself with different terminologies. Health insurance comes with its own set of jargons. It's vital to understand terminologies such as first terminology is the HSA, which stands for Health Saving Account. Health saving account used in conjunction with an HDHP, high deductible health plan that allows you to set aside money pre-tax for healthcare expenses. Then comes Medicaid, what you want to say, a state and federal program designed to assist those with limited income and resources, depending on your earnings, which are gauged based on the federal poverty level. You might qualify for the Medicaid in Texas. Then the third terminology you should be familiarized about is COBRA, provides individual and their families the options of contributing their employees' group health insurance for limited periods under specific circumstances. Then exploring different providers, you have to explore different providers. While national providers such as Aetna or Kaiser are prevalent choices for many in the realm of self-employment, don't forget to check a local Texas-based provider. Websites like eHealth Insurance or the healthcare.government can offer a plethora of choices tailored to the Lone Star state. So consider high deductible plans if you're healthy and don't foresee major medical expenses in the coming year. Consider an HDHP when combined with an health saving account HSA. You not only save money but also get a significant tax deduction. Check for short-term plans. Short-term health insurance can serve as a bridge between major medical plans, especially useful if you are waiting for coverage to begin. begin, or if you are an independent contractor between jobs. So the third, you have to assess potential subsidies. That Affordable Care Act provides subsidies for those who fall within certain income brackets. Depending on your earning from self-employment, you might qualify for these, making your insurance more affordable. And another option you have to choose is don't overlook additional coverages. While the main focus might be on the health insurance, many providers like Aetna offers supplemental coverages such as dental or vision. This can be vital, especially if you or your spouse have specific needs in those areas. Then comes to seek professional help. Sometimes navigating the waters of health insurance during self employment can become overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek the help of an insurance broker or agent who specializes in individual policies. So, what is the conclusion? Being self employed in Texas brings with it a unique set of challenges, but finding the right health insurance plan doesn't have to be one of them. So by understanding your needs, you and following the tips, going through research and potentially seeing professional help, you can find a plan that's perfect for your health and financial situations. Remember, the peace of mind that comes with the right coverage is invaluable. So here we will discuss that what's the relationship between state laws and self-employed insurance policies. So the difference is the Texas has specific regulations regarding health insurance, which impact the choices available to self-employed. For instance, certain policies might not cover pre-existing conditions, or they might be bound by the ACA Affordable Care Act regulations. The second one is the challenge of high insurance cost for individual entrepreneurs or the self-employed without an employer to share the burden. Individual entrepreneurs often find insurance premiums steep, which are very high, have a high insurance cost. However, the health insurance deductions can ease some of these financial burden. So, understanding health insurance for self-employed, private versus public options. While public options like Medicaid exist, many self-employed individuals in Texas gravitate towards private health insurance for many more comprehensive coverages than working off health insurance for the self-employed. Unlike employer-provided insurance, the self-employed individual selects and pays for their plans. Some opt for family plans covering spouses and dependents, while others stick to the individual plans. The choices often hangs on the cost, coverages needs, and whether one qualifies for the subsidized or tax credits. So, what are the benefits? Beyond the obvious health benefits, insurance provides final security, and unexpected health issues can lead to significant expenses, which insurance can help mitigate. And the cost of health insurance for the self-employed. Tax benefits: self-employed individuals can leverage the health insurance deductions, allowing them to deduct premium for their health taxable income. Additionally, depending on the income and other factors, they might qualify for premium tax credit. And then mitigating cost, health saving accounts or enrolling during special enrollment periods can reduce cost. It's also worth shopping around annually to ensure you are getting the best rate. So the third one, of health insurance for self-employed. The third point is to understanding premium and deductibles. The insurance premium is monthly cost of the policy, while the deductible is the out-of-pocket amount before the insurance company begins to pay. So that was all about, and also we will discuss about the types of insurance: self-employed, private, independent insurance, group and association health plans, and also coverage of pre-existing conditions. These were all about the self-employed health insurance plans. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So do like and subscribe my channel for the more videos.